Alright, let's build a quick lead capturing page for a real estate open house. So let's start off by clicking New, Blank Website, and then we'll do Open House 1 for the name, and sub the name as well. Open House 1, create website. Let that load up. Alright, so we got an image on here. We'll throw a Remax. I've got a second image block here. We're going to want to move up a couple spots. Got a house image we're going to use. And then let's change that to medium. And for our headline, schedule a private VIP tour. 1234 Any Street today. And for our sub headline, see if you like to be the first to exclusively view this hot listing, simply enter your info, or let's do simply sign up below. Okay. And then for our form, we're going to capture their name. Let's go ahead and grab their phone number and email address. Let's change the button color to blue. Change the button text. Schedule your VIP tour now. Alright. And then our footer text. And just throw our privacy policy in there. Privacy policy with a link. Okay, go ahead and save our work so we don't lose it. And we'll go to settings here. And then for the title meta tag, we'll go back to grab our headline. Copy that, paste it into the title, and then we'll do the same for the description. Let's see, we'll grab our sub headline. We'll use that as the description. Easy enough. Okay, we don't need an image. We're going to want to send an email. Okay, so reply to from Chris, subject, your information has been received. Don't need a headline. And the body text. we will be in touch with you shortly to make an appointment for your VIP tour 1234 A Street. Okay, we don't need a button, so we'll delete that out of there. And then this is going to send a notification when any lead comes in to whatever email address you put in here. It could be multiple email addresses as well. In our custom code, we can put in tracking pixels. There we go, it's tracking pixel. Save our work. Alright, looks good. And then I'm going to go back, and then in here we want to add a thank you page. So we'll install thank you page. We'll add the image, the house image again, and then make that medium for the headline. Let's see, we will contact you shortly. Subheadline. Expect a call from our team. To schedule the time to tour this home. We don't need a second image. We don't need a form since we're not capturing anything. Actually, we can delete this text block and save that. And go to settings and rename this page URL. Thanks. We don't have to worry about the title or description because this won't be shared on social media. So we'll save that. And then I'll go back to the original page, and then we need to send them to the thank you page after they put in their information. Just like that. So we'll save that, and then see how it looks. Got the Remax, the house picture, headline, subheadline. Let's test out our form. Chris at Phonesites.com. We'll click the blue button. There you go. That's all there is to it. You could actually, if you're doing a lot of these open houses, you could actually just copy this little lead generation form for every home that you have an open house for, and just change a couple things, picture and address, and you're set for the other house as well.